Ah, I am the Wolfman. I am the Wolfman. I am the new Wolfman toy. Here to stare the shit out of you. Ah. Elvis Plate. What job did Elvis have before he was rich? He was a truck driver. And no, I will never eat off of this shit. It's an antique. Count Dracula. Count Dracula. Count Dracula. Roll and Hardy. Roll and Hardy. Roll and Hardy. And now for some more fun. 50 sci-fi movies. 50 sci-fi movies. What is the thing? 50 sci-fi movies. And now I am going to open it. The 50 sci-fi movies, which was $15. 50 sci-fi movies. Now I'm going to open this shit. Take the plastic off. I'm gonna take all the big effing plastic off it. Once again, 50 sci-fi movies with the flying turtle. They're gone. 50 sci-fi movies. How? 1, 2, 1, 2. It's the big bad wolf. 1, 2. It's the big bad wolf. How?